Welcome to Healthy Life Keys, the channel where your well-being, independence, and strength matter more with each passing year. What if I told you that your muscles could start rebuilding themselves in just 14 days without a single trip to the gym? And what if the secret was a simple food that costs less than $2 per serving and is likely sitting in your pantry right now? Here is the surprising truth. Most people over 60 are missing the critical window to feed their muscles the fuel they need each morning. So let me ask, have you ever wondered why walking feels harder, or why standing up takes more effort than it used to? In today's video, we will uncover a forgotten breakfast combination that could unlock your strength, balance, and energy, starting at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. But first, tap the like button, subscribe to Healthy Life Keys, and share this with someone you care about. Because this small shift may be the breakthroughs your body has been quietly waiting for. Let's explore the science, one morning at a time. 1. What if it is not just aging? Let us begin with a question that might change the way you think about growing older. What if the fatigue in your legs, the struggle to climb stairs, or the heaviness when lifting a grocery bag is not simply a normal part of aging? What if these symptoms are the result of something else entirely, something reversible? Many seniors accept declining muscle strength as inevitable, but the truth is, your body might not be breaking down. It might just be missing the right fuel. There is a name for this condition: sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and function. It starts quietly in your 50s and tends to speed up with each passing decade. You may notice it when daily tasks become just a little harder. That extra effort, getting up from the sofa, the moment of hesitation before stepping off a curb, the growing need for handrails or extra rest. According to the National Institutes of Health, nearly 1 in 2 adults over 60 are already dealing with this, often without knowing the cause. But here is the silver lining. Research shows that sarcopenia can be slowed and even reversed through consistent changes in diet and lifestyle. So let me ask you, have you noticed your strength slipping away faster than you expected? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Because in the next section, we are going to uncover a forgotten food that may be the key to taking your strength back, one bite at a time. 2. The forgotten food that fuels muscle regeneration. What if I told you there is a simple food sitting quietly on your shelf that could help your muscles come back to life? A food that not only supports strength, but also helps with balance, recovery, and even blood sugar control. The best part? It is not a powder, a pill, or anything fancy. It is a basic black bean. Yes, black beans, modest in appearance, but powerful in action. These beans are packed with leucine, isoleucine, and valine, 3 branch-chain amino acids that your muscles crave. They are the same muscle-building compounds found in costly protein shakes, yet black beans deliver them in a gentler, plant-based form that your body can handle with ease. But there is more. Black beans are also loaded with fiber, which nourishes your gut, slows digestion, and allows nutrients to absorb gradually, keeping energy steady and inflammation low. Add in magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals critical for muscle contraction and recovery. And you begin to see why nutrition experts are paying close attention. Now I wonder, have you ever underestimated this little legume? Let me know in the comments. Because next, we will explore the perfect time of day to eat black beans and why that timing could change everything. 3. Why timing is everything. The 7 a.m. advantage. Did you know that your body absorbs nutrients up to 30% more efficiently in the first hour after waking? That is not just good to know, it is a game changer. This window, often ignored, is when your muscles are most eager to rebuild. Your insulin sensitivity is higher. Your digestive system is calm and focused, and your cells are ready to receive the fuel they have been missing overnight. Now imagine giving your body exactly what it needs at exactly the right time. That is the power of eating black beans before 7:30 a.m. These nutrient-packed legumes are rich in amino acids that signal your body to start repairing muscle tissue. They also provide fiber that steadies your blood sugar and keeps your energy smooth all day. Think of it like turning on a light in a dark room. Your body cannot do the work unless you flip the switch. And that switch is your first meal. Waiting until later in the day, you will still get benefits, but not the same edge. That golden hour is where the real magic begins. So let me ask you, are you fueling your body while it is still listening? Leave a yes or not yet in the comments. And coming up next, we will talk about the perfect companion to these beans, one that might already be in your fridge. 4. The power of pairing. Why black beans and eggs are a senior superfood combo. Here is something you might not expect. Seniors who eat eggs and beans together often show stronger grip, steadier balance, and more confidence when walking, compared to those who eat them separately. Why? It all comes down to nutrient synergy. Black beans are rich in amino acids and fiber, but on their own, they are missing some key ingredients for full muscle recovery, namely, complete protein and healthy fats. That is where eggs come in. One large egg delivers around 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with critical amino acids like methionine and cysteine. These are essential for tissue repair, reducing inflammation, and building strength. And do not skip the yolk. That golden center is packed with arginine, vitamin D to support bones and calcium absorption, selenium to protect muscles from oxidative stress, choline to help your brain and muscles communicate, lutein and zeaxanthin to improve vision and balance, especially helpful when navigating stairs or uneven ground. When paired with half a cup of black beans, 1 or 2 soft-boiled eggs, create a simple, powerful meal that keeps energy steady and supports long-term mobility. Have you tried this duo in your morning routine? Let me know in the comments. Up next, we will cover the best ways to prepare these ingredients for maximum benefit without upsetting your stomach. 5. Preparation is key, unlocking the beans' full potential. Did you know that the way you prepare black beans can make the difference between improved digestion or uncomfortable bloating? It is not the bean itself that causes trouble, it is the method. Let us start with the best approach. Begin with dried black beans. Soak them overnight in water with a splash of lemon juice or baking soda. This simple step reduces compounds like phytates and lectins that can block nutrient absorption and cause gas. Next, cook the beans gently. Use water or a low-sodium broth for about 45 to 60 minutes until they are soft but not mushy. As they cook, consider adding turmeric, cumin, or black pepper. These spices do more than flavor your food. They offer anti-inflammatory support that benefits joints and muscles. Finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, which can enhance nutrient uptake and make digestion even smoother. Short on time, canned black beans can still work. Just rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove excess sodium and additives. Do you usually cook your beans from scratch or go with canned for convenience? Let me know in the comments. Up next, we will talk about what to eat or avoid alongside black beans to unlock their full effect. 6. What to eat with black beans and what to avoid. Here is a surprising truth. The foods you pair with black beans can either amplify their benefits or cancel them out completely. Let us start with what to avoid. Pairing black beans with sugary cereals, white toast, jam, or breakfast bars may feel convenient, but these foods spike your blood sugar. That sudden surge, followed by a crash, interferes with muscle repair, weakens energy levels, and contributes to long-term inflammation. Even fruit juice, if it is highly processed, can work against your goals. Instead, aim for combinations that support balance and recovery. Try soft-boiled or poached eggs for complete protein. Add avocado slices for healthy fats and potassium. Serve with steamed spinach or kale, rich in calcium and vitamin K for bone strength. Want a touch of comfort? Add roasted sweet potatoes for fiber and complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly. And if you enjoy toast, choose a whole grain option for sustained energy without the crash. This mix keeps blood sugar steady, supports nutrient absorption, and helps you feel fuller longer without weighing you down. Remember, breakfast sets the tone for the entire day. After age 60, it is not a luxury. It is a necessity. So let me ask, what do you usually eat first thing in the morning? Share your breakfast routine in the comments, because next we are going to take all that fuel and show you how to activate it with gentle, powerful movement. 7. Movement, the missing signal. Your muscles are waiting for. You have given your muscles fuel, but have you turned the ignition? Here is the key. Food gives your body the building blocks, but without movement, those blocks often sit unused. According to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy, seniors who performed light movement within 30 minutes of a high-protein breakfast showed significantly better muscle nutrient absorption than those who remained still. The good news? You do not need a gym. You do not need special equipment, just your body, a wall, and 5 to 10 quiet minutes. Try this simple routine after breakfast and march in place. 1 minute to wake up circulation. Seated leg lifts, 10 per leg to activate your thighs and wall push-ups. 10 reps to gently engage your arms and shoulders. Side steps, 1 minute to improve lateral strengthen. Neck and shoulder rolls, 1 minute to loosen tension and boost balance. These movements are more than warm-ups. They tell your nervous system, we are building again. They help direct nutrients from your food into the places your body needs them most. Your muscles. Have you tried adding a short routine like this to your morning? Let me know in the comments. Next, we will explore 5 silent habits that might be undoing your hard work without you even realizing it. 8. The 5 mistakes that quietly steal your strength. You are eating better. You are moving more. But what if silent habits are still working against your progress? Let us look at 5 common mistakes many seniors make, often without realizing they are slowing muscle recovery. 1. Skipping breakfast. Your muscles wake up in a breakdown state, what we call catabolic. Without protein early in the day, they continue to lose mass. Even a small, balanced breakfast makes a big difference. 2. Relying too much on pills. Multivitamins may seem convenient, but many are poorly absorbed, especially without food or healthy fats. Whole foods like black beans, eggs, and leafy greens deliver nutrients in forms your body can actually use. 3. Sitting for long periods. Even with a good breakfast, hours of sitting can shut off muscle signaling. Break up your day with light movement every 30-45 minutes. A short walk, a few steps, or gentle stretching helps keep your muscles engaged. 4. Eating late at night. Heavy evening meals shift your body's energy away from repair. Try to finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed to give your body time to heal overnight. 5. Not drinking enough water. Muscles are nearly 75% water. Even mild dehydration can reduce energy, increase soreness, and slow recovery. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Up next, we will explore what happens when you start making these changes, what to expect in just 14 days. 9. What to expect. 14 days to noticeable strength. If you follow this routine, black beans at 7 a.m., paired with eggs, followed by just a few minutes of light movement, you may start to feel a change sooner than you think. Days 1 to 3. You may notice it takes less effort to rise from a chair. Your legs feel more stable. There is less trembling, and you start to trust your balance again. Days 4 to 7. Your steps become steadier. You walk a little farther without needing to stop. Your energy lasts longer through the day. And your mind? A bit sharper, more alert. Days 8 to 10. Nighttime leg cramps begin to fade. Sleep feels deeper. You start waking with a new sense of control. By day 14, you stand taller. You feel firmer in your footing. You carry yourself with quiet confidence. Not because of a miracle, but because your body is responding to what it has needed all along. This is not a quick fix. It is your body remembering how to repair one step at a time. So let me ask you, what small win would mean the most to you in the next 14 days? Share it in the comments. Because next, we will talk about how to sustain this progress for weeks, months, and years to come. And there you have it. A simple shift in your morning routine, half a cup of black beans, a soft-boiled egg, and just 5 minutes of light movement has the potential to restore strength, improve balance, and help you feel more like yourself again in just 14 days. We talked about why sarcopenia, the quiet muscle loss that comes with age, is not a life sentence. We uncovered how black beans provide amino acids and fiber your muscles need. We explored the importance of timing, especially eating around 7 a.m., and the incredible benefits of pairing beans with eggs for complete recovery. You learned how to prepare your beans properly, what to eat alongside them, and the small silent habits that could be slowing you down. And most importantly, we gave your body a chance to respond with consistency, care, and real food. If this video gave you a new perspective or a little hope for the days ahead, we are so glad you joined us today. Thank you for watching Healthy Life Keys, where your strength and well-being matter more with each passing year. Before you go, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a loved one who could use a lift. We will see you next time with more tips, tools, and support to help you live strong at every age. Until then, take care of yourself and your morning.